I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D on the keyboard. Let's start by understanding the fundamental chord progression. Canon in D uses 8 primary chords: D major, a major, B minor, F sharp minor, G major, D major, G major, and a major. This sequence repeats throughout the piece. Begin by practicing each chord in its root position to build a strong foundation and familiarize your fingers with the shapes. Now let's focus on your left hand, which provides the steady foundation with a repeating bass line. This bass line typically follows a descending pattern, often playing the root note of each chord. For example, you'll play D, then A, then B, and so on. Concentrate on maintaining a consistent rhythm and ensuring each note is played clearly and evenly. This creates the harmonic bedrock for the melody. Moving to the right hand, this is where the beautiful melody and intricate arpeggiated figures come to life. The melody often involves a series of ascending and descending patterns. Break the melody into smaller, 2-measure or 4-measure phrases and practice them individually. When tackling the arpeggios, start at a very slow tempo to ensure smooth, connected transitions between notes, gradually increasing your speed. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. A crucial tip is to practice each hand separately until you are comfortable before attempting to combine them. When you do combine, start at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as your coordination improves. Using a metronome is highly recommended to develop precise timing and a consistent rhythm throughout the entire piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.